Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be telling you how to start your Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to start Hamster Kombat, first of all you have to install Telegram into your mobile phone. Then after installing Telegram, you just simply have to open that application and now go to the search tab. And from there you just simply have to search for Hamster Kombat into here. And after searching that, this Hamster Kombat bot will appear at the top. Just simply open that bot, and after opening that bot you just simply have to tap into this start or restart button that shows at the bottom. Just simply tap there and then it will give this option of play in one click. In order to start the Hamster Kombat, just simply tap into this play in one click option and click to this start button again. And after doing this very easy steps, your Hamster Kombat will successfully be started. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.